Siento que pierdo la fe en la mujer. Siento que he vuelto a caer. Pero sé que al final, aunque puede doler, hoy soy más fuerte que ayer. Thanks for OG. Then once again I'll be falling away, begging the wash all the way. But you can't feel too bad when you fight to the end. When I'll be falling again. Baby, this whole time you were my inspiration. That's why I hope you understand my situation. Even though you never open up for negotiation, I always thought we were the coolest combination. 27th of November, everything became so dark. I love dogs, but I couldn't hear a single bark. Take me back with my back to the room, G01. That's where I started with the thought that maybe G the one. Then I started thinking maybe I should let it out. I know it's crazy, but I never really had a doubt. Goosebumps every time you open your mouth. I even thought about a trip to the south, but after all I know your heart belongs to other men. And you know I understand. Took all the blue from my sky, put it in your hands. And right now from the point that I stand, I'm gonna have to start looking around again. Damn. Siento que pierdo la fe en la mujer. Siento que he vuelto a caer. Pero sé que al final, aunque puede doler, hoy soy más fuerte que ayer. It's hard for me to say. Then once again I'll be falling away, begging there was other way. But you can't feel too bad when you fight to the end. When I'll be falling again. Yo no quiero alguien que me dé placer, solo que a mí me pueda entender. Pero sé que por más que se pueda esconder, al final ella va a aparecer. I know it's been a while since the last time we talked, and I'm sending you this message because I want to talk to you about something. I don't want to take much of your time, so I would just go straight to the point.